Hi, I'm Kristen.
Hey, I'm Scott.
Hi, I'm Skyla. And I'm Holden.
And we are
The Dean Team.
And we are here in downtown Myrtle Beach at Winter Wonderland at the beach. What do you think? Are y'all ready for an adventure?
Let's go!
Please follow the Myrtle Beach City Government page, also our website, and the Winter Wonderland at the Beach website to get a full list of all of the events going on this holiday season.
Everybody sing oh wow. Everybody sing oh wow. Christmas tree on Christmas tree. It was a diamond. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Snowmen guarding each house on the street, while giggles and fun fill the air. Glory to the newborn King.
That was
You're gonna scream as loud as you can. Light that tree. Are you ready?
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light that tree!
We did it with Christmas magic.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're gonna head down the boardwalk. There are only a few lights up along this part of the boardwalk, so you kind of have to keep walking to get to where the lights really start. I think this Santa was here last year too.
Yeah.
Here's the SkyWheel. And we're on 9th Avenue right now. This is kind of where the bigger lights will be starting, and there's some photo ops too. Very cute. We gotta get a quick picture. The mermaid says, "Season's greetings." This is kind of perfect because it's on the volleyball courts and Santa's just chilling in the sand. King Triton is here. Sparkly baubles by the 8th Ave Tiki Bar and Grill.
It's a little chilly.
What's the temperature tonight, sir?
Cold.
The temperature
It's
is
cold,
cold.
for us. Let's see, what is it? Let's see.
36?
That's what it said like 5 minutes ago.
Is that what it is?
36 and clear. That's Conway. So it's chillier here.
By the it's probably
Yeah.
30 right now.
Yeah.
We're not used to
Breezy.
this. We've got some snowmen. Our buddy bear is here again this year. Mr. Blue Bear. We got some elves over here. Santa's waving to us. Where's Rudolph? Where's Rudolph?
None of them are Rudolph.
Wait, here's Rudolph. Rudolph really does get favoritism, not gonna lie. But this one's getting a bath at least. At least you're getting taken care of. All right, you ready, guys? Polar plunge. Go do it. I think we're in Candy Cane Lane. The little kid just thought the candy was real. That was so cute. Got all the gingerbread buddies. Gingerbread house. Here's a look at the schedule. Winter Wonderland at the beach goes from November 28th through January 3rd. Lights display nightly 5 to 9. We are here for the annual tree lighting, and there's holiday entertainment in Plyler Park from 5 to 8 on these dates. You can scan to get a full schedule. And here are some of the other events. New Year's Eve fireworks show at 9 p.m. So there is a lot going on. Make sure to go to their website and check it out. The public restrooms are located on Ocean Boulevard between Mr. Joe White Avenue and 12th Avenue across from Plyler Park. Here's the area for the toy soldiers. What song are they playing in your mind? I think you still have it on the brain. Yeah.
Bum, bum, bum. The Star Wars.
Oh,
Imperial
dude.
March.
I like that. Oh, that's their jam. We're having our annual talk about how we want to have a staycation one winter in one of these spots because it would be so much fun. Have you ever done it? Let us know. What was it like? Choo-choo train, taking all the presents to the good boys and girls. Not sure if they'll be stopping by our house. We'll find out. I like this area a lot.
I'll get you that.
It's so nice hearing the ocean waves as you're walking along. Such a unique experience of looking at lights. This path is very stroller friendly, wheelchair friendly, very wide paths. So it is a good place to bring younger kids. They can kind of run around a little bit or be rolled along. You could also bring little bikes, things like that. We always say one year we want to bring our scooters and come do it that way. Safety wise, just remember you're in downtown Myrtle. Be keeping track of your surroundings. Come in a group. There are a lot of people walking around, which is nice, but just be aware.
Okay, everybody watching at home.
What does that remind you of? Jack in the Box over here. I feel like these little buddies are new. These are very cute little snowflakes. Oh, that one's really pretty. I want that in my yard. All right, I'm gonna put in a clip from last year so you can see this, because this is my favorite one that we see every year. Here's last year's. And now we are down on the end, close to Wicked Tuna. There is a restroom over here at the 2nd Avenue Pier as well, so that's nice to have as you're starting the walk from this direction. This year, for the first time, the lights span all the way from 2nd Avenue at Wicked Tuna all the way up to Pier 14, and you can see over there's a lot of Christmas lights that way. It looks like if you walk this length between SkyWheel, it's kind of these arches the whole way. Maybe some lit up palm trees. We did not walk the whole way down. Scott dropped me off over here so that I could show you what it looks like on this end. So if you're coming to see Santa, you don't have to pay to walk on the pier. This is so pretty. If you're not here to see Santa, you can pay $1 and still come out and walk on the pier. So if you want to come for like a date night and come see the lights, you can do that. And here's the tree down at the very far end. This is so pretty. I love this. It is cold, but this is Christmas at the beach in a nutshell. This would be a really unique spot to see Santa. He's here on the weekends from 4 to 8. So keep that in mind. You don't have to pay to walk on the pier if you're going to see Santa. Parking is free at this time of year, so you can find free parking all along the beach. Thank you so much for coming along with us to Winter Wonderland at the beach, a totally free Christmas lights walkthrough. It was also so cool to see Skyla sing in the Christmas tree lighting ceremony. They had free cocoa, there was the snow performers walking around, the live music. It was a really nice event, and we did not stay long enough to see Santa because his line was very long, but Santa does come after the tree lighting, so it's also a great time to meet him. People were lining up for that in advance. They knew where his area was, so keep that in mind too. We did bring hot cocoa with us tonight. I highly recommend doing that on a cold night like this. Bring your thermos, have your hot beverages, bring some snacks. This path is really easy to get along. We just put a post on our website of all of the best things to do during the holidays in the Myrtle Beach area at deanteamadventures.com. I'll put a link to that in the description. We hope you're having the best holiday season. Thanks so much for coming along with us, and we'll see you soon.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
And as always,
Keep adventuring.